Good day, fellow South Africans. I salute all of you. On Thursday, the 18th of September 2025, in the Free State High Court in Bloemfontein, Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa is subpoenaed to appear before the court. Himself, together with Paul Mashatile, Gwede Mantashe, Fikile Mbalula, and others. This reality is such that you will think that no, he will not come. And that is exactly why he is being removed from office for failing to perform the functions of office. Fellow South Africans, in particular, members of the South African National Defence Force, you are obligated in terms of Section 13 of the Military Discipline Code, in that any person who is subjected to this act, who deserts from the defense force, is guilty of an offense and liable on conviction if he or she committed the offense while on service to imprisonment for a period not exceeding 20 years, and in any other case, to imprisonment for a period not exceeding 10 years. I hold a permanent commission to a rank of Lieutenant Commander, and I cannot desert my duty to the Defense Force. The Defense Force is Section 200 of this particular constitution. The constitution that Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa has failed to uphold, and then has failed to defend, and then has failed to respect as the supreme law of the Republic. Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa, for him to be president, stood before all of you and then read from oath and affirmation in Schedule 2 of this particular constitution that he will do justice to all people. Yet, yesterday, I saw people being paid a salary for not complying with Section 9.2 of this constitution while they have pledged to serve and defend the country and its people in accordance with this constitution. Lieutenant General Sichongaye, when I say stop paying Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa a salary, I am true to you. You are the chief of human resource in the South African National Defence Force, and the function of Commander-in-Chief is that of the incumbent Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa, who is under your structure as Chief Human Resources. Stop paying my subordinates a salary for not complying with Section 9.2 of the Constitution to live and strive for freedom in South Africa, our land, as Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa has proclaimed in terms of Section 4 of this Constitution. I am proclaiming in terms of Section 4 of this Constitution for all to live and enjoy freedom in the universe, our home, such that my subordinates can be led by example of compliance with this particular law. All force structure elements in the South African National Defence Force do know that at both watches, they must read a section of the law every day to teach the members of the Defence Force to comply and to act, and require them to act in accordance with this particular constitution. We are not going to be afraid of a few people that do not comply with the constitution simply because some members of the Defence Force choose to desert their duty to the Defence Force. The Defence Force, its primary object is to protect and defend the Republic, its territorial integrity, and its people. Judge President of the Free State High Court, I am not coming to court to argue with the judges relative to the law. Please, all judicial officers, read Section 3 of this Constitution. You will find that everyone is equally entitled to the rights, privileges, and benefits of citizenship, and everyone is equally subject to the duties and responsibilities of citizenship. When I come to the court, I come to resolve a dispute by the application of law decided in a fair public hearing. I don't come to court to be arguing with judges. I am not a member of the Legal Practice Act. I am a member of the Defense Act, because everyone has a right to freedom and security of the person. I am the security services, and I'm not in dispute with that regard. For I have pledged to serve and defend my country and its people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, and with honor, dignity, courage, and integrity. I serve in the South African National Defence Force with loyalty and pride as a citizen and a volunteer. A citizen, it's Section 3. The judge, you must comply with Section 3. Good people, you must look at court as like a school. I go to school, I will meet a teacher or a mistress. It will be a male judge or a female judge. I will say, here is Section 9.2. Here it obligates all equality to include the full and equal enjoyment of all rights and freedoms. Can we comply with this syllabus, please? That's what I have been doing in court, and every single time people do not want to comply with the syllabus. That is why I am asking the principal of the school, that is the Free State High Court, the judge president himself, to lead by example and grant us a full bench for this matter to be heard. Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa is subpoenaed in this particular matter in terms of Rule 38 of the Uniform Rules of Court. And he must come to court. That is why you, Chief Human Resource Lieutenant General Sichongaye, I am telling you this honest truth, that watch the incumbent president or the incumbent commander-in-chief and stop saluting a person that is obligating you and your family and everybody that you know to live and struggle for freedom in your own land. Stop it. Let it be true that this constitution is the supreme law of the republic. Law or conduct that is inconsistent with this constitution is invalid, and the obligations imposed by this constitution must be fulfilled. We, as members of the South African National Defence Force, in particular commissioned officers, we must lead our subordinates by example and not misguide them or lie to them while they are standing on attention on parade and the code of conduct is read for them to be reminded they are pledged to serve and defend the country in accordance with this constitution. I am removing Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa from office. It's not a lie. It's not a lie. You are thinking that is a lie. When I tell you that what Captain Ibrahim Traore did in Burkina Faso is that which I am doing in accordance with this constitution, to remove the president so that this constitution can be upheld, defended, and respected as the supreme law of the republic. It's not personal. It's service and defense. Section 198 of this particular constitution imposes an obligation that national security must include the resolve of all South Africans as an individual or as a nation to live in peace, to live in harmony, to live without want or fear, and to seek a better life. And we are taught in this particular one section that the pursuit for peace and harmony, it precludes any South African from picking arms. Must do things in accordance with the constitution. So Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa, in 48 hours you are out of office for failing to respect, protect, promote, and fulfill the rights in the Bill of Rights at Section 9.2 of the Constitution. Go look at it. I've beat you fair and square. I know you've tried by all means to keep people on a lie, living a lie. That lie stops. That's why I am calling for Lieutenant General Sichongaye as the Chief of Human Resource in the South African National Defence Force to act in terms of Section 1654 of this Constitution and protect and assist the courts to maintain their dignity, accessibility, effectiveness, and impartiality, and all the core values that the court has that have been embedded in that particular section. It is our duty as members of the South African National Defence Force to be faithful to the Republic. It is our duty to respect the fundamental rights of all members in the South African National Defence Force and that of all people. Read Section 2G of the Defence Act. It will tell you that. When I come and tell you, Lieutenant General Sichonga, I pay my salary, I mean it. Stop living a lie in that I have obeyed a manifestly illegal order that I am discharged from the South African National Defence Force. Discharge in the Defence Force, Papa, it does not happen with you simply writing a letter. There is a procedure. And when I call the Chief Human Resource to court, he must prove that the dismissal was fair. That's all that you must prove. And I'm telling you, nothing was fair in that regard when you understand that everyone has a right to fair labor practice. So I ask all people to come to court on Thursday the 18th. I expect a division of the Free State High Court, a full bench, to make a decision whether the country and its people continue not to comply with Section 9.2 of this Constitution, or they comply with Section 9.2 of the Constitution. I mean not to be rude. I am tired. I will journey from the Northwest Province to the Free State Province. And let it be true that the Free State is indeed the Free State when judicial independence is upheld. Please, we are not coming to court to witness judges doing things that are funny. We are coming to court to resolve a dispute by the application of law. Grant us that Section 34 right in the Bill of Rights. This is true. I am true to my oath of office. I did not swear an oath I cannot uphold. And when enough people make false promises, words stop meaning anything, and then there are no more answer, only better and better lies. And lies will not help us or our children to live and enjoy freedom. It will only subjugate them into slavery, servitude, or forced labor to live and struggle for freedom in South Africa, our land, as Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa has done. Good people, let us be true to one another. When you see me, know it to be true that I am the person that is upholding this. It's a duty that was supposed to be done by Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa and is failing to do it. I am a person that is defending this. I am a person that is respecting this particular constitution as the supreme law of the Republic. It's my contract with all of you in the universe, our home. So all presidents in all nations understand it to be true that I am this Lieutenant Commander Sylvester Vulani Madala Mangolele, who serves and defends the country and its people in accordance with this constitution. I did not desert my duty to the Defence Force, and the Defence Force is in terms of Section 200 of this particular constitution. So members of the public, all media houses, you are requested to simply comply with the fact that public administration must be governed by democratic values and principles enshrined in the Constitution, including the principle that transparency must be fostered by providing the public with timely, accessible, and accurate information. That is the first prayer that we only want the judges to fulfill and allow all the proceedings to be televised. Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa could not answer that, no, let's not comply with this thing. That's why he could not file an answering affidavit. And in failure to do so, we have procured evidence for trial as obligated in terms of Rule 38 of the Uniform Rules of Court. Nothing personal. It's only the rules that are being applied. And we expect the person who claims to be the one who is the president of the republic. The president is the person who upholds, who defends, and who respects this constitution as the supreme law, and who promotes the unity of the nation and that which will advance the republic as a head of the national executive and as a head of the state. It's written at section 83 in this book. So, Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa is not being that person. That is why he's being removed from office for failing to ensure that everybody complies with section 9.2 of this particular constitution. Your freedom is very, 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 very important. It is very, 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 very important. The freedom of my children, your children, and their children's children is very, very, very important. This thing has came for a very long time in which we could not be in a position where we understand the true meaning of words. That's why I told you, Lieutenant General Sichwangaye, ukuthi Google. Ube umalungisa nyani, ulungise lento le yokuthi subordinates zethu zihlale ziphile zithi zifuna uphila zisokolele inkululeko eMzantsi Afrika izwe lethu. Malungisa Sichwangaye, masilungise lonto. Be true to your words. Be true to your name. Don't be true to, they are the one who promoted me. No. Your duty is to serve and defend the country and its people in accordance with this constitution. Do that. I'm not asking you to do something out of your context or out of your mandate. That is why I expect things to go well, where judges will be judges and then they will uphold the constitution as they have sworn to do so. Time for games has come to an end, for God has indeed blessed all Africans and Africa. Papa Udeng.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosazana Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Sad news for officials ANC kasana njengoba bawabitile yafuneka ecourt omhla ka-18 njengoba sesivile abhuda qhaza indzaba yabo. So it's not the first time semva khuluma ekudzala khuluma ngabo and washo kokuthi uphezu kwabo because ukhathele ma-officials e-ANC yaloku adla imali ye-tax mahala kube msebenzi odolo lo. Baningi lebe bathi bayamthanda kulo body because he is so smart and bayabona ukuthi uyabalwela abantu baseningizimu Afrika. Kanti ngemva kokuthi announce tindzaba tokuthi babitiwe enkantolo kufaneke nakanjani baye, abantu abaningi bajabule ngendlela lesimanga basho ukuthi cha uyasebenza mani lo body and ispan sakhe uyasishaya. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.